Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys take advantage of our free consultation that we offer, where you can send me a few pictures of your property and get your own personalized video presentation with a bunch of ideas on how to get the most bang for your buck out of your landscape lighting design. So to get that, go and either check us out at lightingdoctor.ca or just email me a few pictures of your property at cal@lightingdoctor.ca. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
So once you've got your lights selected and your transformer selected, the next step is just to go around and start placing all your lights so that you can run out your wire. Usually I'll just dig a small hole, place my ground stake, and then try and get a rubber mallet so that you can hammer that light fixture in there and get it nice and solid in the ground. Especially when it comes to path lights that are going to be standing up, you want to make sure those are level and that they're not going to get knocked over. So go do that with all your lights, place them where you think they're going to want to go, and then you can start running out your wire. So we are using a couple path lights on this project. One area we're going to use them is just to kind of create some balance in between. We're lighting up some of the architectural stone pillars on the front of the house, and then in between we're throwing a couple path lights from place to place, just so as you're looking at it from the street or the sidewalk, there's a nice balance of light between the uplights on the pillars and then some of the garden lighting that's going to be down below. So that's primarily where we're going to be using path lights in this area. And as always, we try and use as few as possible unless it makes sense. And in this case, we've got about 6 to 8 path lights that are just going to create a nice balance of light throughout this property. Okay, so on this project we're using uplights and path lights, and what we've done is we've just chosen to use 3 path lights on this rock stepway here, and we've basically got one back there, we've got one here, and then we've got one over there. So we've just kind of put them on both sides. We don't need a whole ton. We've spaced them about 12 to 15 feet apart, and that's going to give us plenty of light just to make sure that these steps are well lit and that we're really featuring and focusing these nice rock features that they've put in place here. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools on how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.